Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this JPEG of a apple with a leaf. And this is one of the easiest ones you could ever do. I put the white back or the yellow background so you could see that it's a white background on it. And all you have to do is go to Trace Bitmap. Yours might be under Bitmap, Trace, Outline Trace. I always use Clipart. And in just a few seconds, it's already done it. And then take that new one out of the way. Bring in the yellow background and we see white on the inside. So go to Object, Group, and Ungroup, and just take the white away, and then you have a outline. And they asked how you could cut this out. So if you're not going to engrave it and you want to make it vector, all you'd have to do is, this is a fill, so let's use the boundary tool. So we're going to have to go to Object and break curve apart, and it fills it in. And then I'm just going to cursor it over, and then I'm going to left click no fill and right click hairline, and you still see it's got double lines. But then we can go to Object and should be able to break it apart. But let's just try taking the virtual segment delete key and deleting one of the lines. Doesn't matter which one you do. And there you have a hairline to cut out as an apple. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.